Hi, thanks for joining us on today's watercolor and doodle flower project. If you are new to our channel, this is the third part of a project that we have in our Bible and Art membership. And you can find out more details about that in the description. But if you want to join us on this art project, you just need to get a piece of paper, draw, paint, or color flowers all over your piece of paper in various shapes and sizes and styles, and then we'll add a little whimsy. I'm going to take that black Sharpie marker and I'm going to color in the blank spaces, the empty spaces, all around my flowers, petals, and my leaves. Now you can use any color, okay? I chose black, but you could do any color. Now once the space is black in my drawing, I'm going to draw small circles in an area with a gel pen, and then I'll move up to a paint pen. You could use the end of a paintbrush and make dots with white acrylic paint, and if you used a light color as your background, you could use any color. Now this painting reminds us that what started out looking like a mess, with some instruction, can be turned into something beautiful. Our lives are messes. Sometimes we're just a mess. But in Christ, He can make us a new creation.